This is how quick and simple it is to fit wall and ceiling panels in any area, creating a finish which is practical and easy on the eye. To fit the ceiling panels into place, measure the ceiling area as accurately as possible to ensure a nice even cut on both sides. Transfer the measurement onto the panel, mark with a straight line and cut to size. Once your panel is cut, apply a generous amount of adhesive to the back and secure into place with screws at 300mm centers along the tongue section of the panel. These can easily be fixed to the plasterboard or plastered surface without the need for drilling or raw plugs. Repeat this procedure for each individual panel. They will then neatly lock into place thanks to the tongue and groove edge. When fitting spotlights, simply transfer the appropriate measurement to the panel and cut with a hole cutter. Don't forget, these panels are fire rated to Class 1, so there's no need to worry about heat damage. Fitting the wall panels is straightforward too. Firstly, take a measurement from floor to ceiling and cut your 2-part multi-purpose trim strip to size. Separate the trim into its 2 parts and secure the back of the trim into the corner. Keep the second part safe as you will need this later. Repeat this process in all internal corners. Fix your end cap to create the perfect profile. Measure the surface area of the wall and cut your panels to the appropriate length. Remove the protective film from your panel if there is one. Apply adhesive to the reverse of the panel. If your walls are uneven, then a good tip is to add extra adhesive, as this will help to amend any discrepancies. The first panel will now slot nicely into the end cap. Then simply screw to the wall. Repeat this process across the wall. Wall panels can be installed over existing ceramic tiles too. Wall panels are stylish, practical and an ideal source of interior decoration around a bath or shower cubicle. They are also 100% waterproof. We supply a clad seal kit that makes the job that bit easier. This kit contains everything you will need to fit your wall panel successfully around a bath or shower tray. To start with, clean around the bath with the wipe provided. Then measure the area from the edge of the bath to the corner of the wall, on both sides, and cut the clad seal strip to size and mitre. Apply silicone sealant around the bath and to the bottom edge of the clad seal strip to create a waterproof seal. Press the clad seal strip neatly to the wall, ensuring that the 2 connecting mitre edges fit flushly together. Then secure with screws. To conclude, seal the end caps to the edge of the strip for a professional finish. This procedure works exactly the same for the installation of a shower tray. Cut the remaining wall panels to size and install. Fitting around a window isn't as difficult as you would think either. The easiest way to do this is to slide a panel into place overhanging the window area. Then mark the back of the panel with a pencil, as this will give an accurate guide as to what needs removing. To make life easier, the area can also be scored and removed by hand. Then, fit this cut panel to the wall. For the interior profile of the window, measure the sill and cut a panel to size. Clip an end cap onto the panel to ensure flush fitting. Apply a generous amount of adhesive to hold the panel in position and slot into place. A good idea is to then fit the top piece, as this can be held in place by the side panels whilst the adhesive sets. For a professional finish, attach these external angles, which are available in a number of colours to suit your room. For the bath panel, you can utilise any offcuts to minimise waste. Fix a wooden batten to the floor that runs parallel to the lip of the bath. Then measure, cut and fix your panels to the wooden base. To cater for the corner of the bath, simply measure the straight edge and mark this on the panel. This can then be scored and bent to shape. Please note, an external angle can be used as an alternative. The penultimate job is fitting the cornice. Remove the excess back trim from the cornice and discard. Measure the space as tightly as you can to ensure a snug fit. Cut the cornice to size and mitre the edges. Then separate the piece into its 2 components, putting the solid part to one side for the moment. Hold the backing plate as high as you can to the ceiling and screw this tightly to the surface through the lip. Your solid cornice will then clip nicely onto this fixed backing plate. Repeat this process on all walls. To finish the room, it's time to fit the skirting board. Measure the width of the walls again as accurately as possible. Cut the skirting board to size and miter accordingly. Adhesive the back and push firmly into position. Remember the multi-purpose trim that you put to one side from the start of the job. Now is the time to clip this into place in each corner of the room. Fixing anything to the wall panelling is easy too. To fit a toilet roll holder, for example, simply mark and pierce your holes, raw plug, then secure into place. These wall and ceiling panels are robust and versatile, and a cost-effective way to decorate any room. They are stunning, stylish and practical, and can complement any area.